Managing finances is one of the most important responsibilities for any small business owner. Whether you are a startup founder, a freelancer, or running a growing company with employees, having the right accounting software is essential. The right platform helps you track income, manage expenses, send invoices, prepare taxes, and clearly understand your business performance. In today's fast-paced digital world, manual accounting with spreadsheets or paper records is no longer efficient. Modern accounting software automates tasks, improves accuracy, saves time, and provides real-time financial insights that help you make smarter decisions. In this guide, you'll learn what accounting software does, why it matters, what features to look for, and which options are the best for small businesses in the United States in 2026. Why small businesses need accounting software. First, it saves time and reduces errors. Manual bookkeeping takes hours and increases the chance of mistakes. Accounting software automatically records transactions, reconciles bank data, organizes receipts, and prepares reports. Second, it keeps records organized. Instead of searching through paper receipts or multiple files, everything is stored securely in one place and accessible anytime from any device. Third, it improves financial insights. Dashboards show key metrics like revenue, profit, cash flow, expenses, and unpaid invoices. These insights help you make smarter business decisions. Fourth, it prepares you for tax season. With organized financial records throughout the year, generating tax reports becomes simple and stress-free. And finally, it supports compliance and accuracy. Automated calculations and tax tracking help ensure your records follow regulations and reduce the risk of penalties or audits. Key features to look for. When choosing accounting software, not every business needs every feature, but these are the most important ones. Automated bookkeeping lets your system download and categorize transactions automatically. Invoicing tools allow you to create professional invoices, send reminders, and accept payments online. Expense tracking and receipt scanning help you monitor spending and store digital copies of receipts. Bank reconciliation compares your records with bank statements to ensure accuracy. Financial reporting provides essential statements like profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow reports. Payroll processing is important if you pay employees or contractors. Tax support helps track sales tax and generate tax-ready reports. Cloud access means you can manage finances from anywhere, and mobile apps let you work on the go. Integrations allow your accounting software to connect with payment platforms, CRM tools, e-commerce systems, and more. And good customer support ensures you can get help when needed. Top accounting software for small businesses in 2026. Let's look at the best accounting software options available today. QuickBooks Online is widely considered the gold standard. It offers powerful automation, strong reporting, payroll support, and extensive integrations. It's ideal for businesses that want a complete accounting solution that can grow with them. Xero is a cloud-first platform known for its modern design, automation, and collaboration tools. It's perfect for business owners who want real-time access and easy teamwork. Wave Accounting is one of the best free options. It provides basic bookkeeping, invoicing, and receipt tracking at no cost, making it great for freelancers and small startups. FreshBooks is designed especially for service-based businesses. It excels at time tracking, project billing, and client management. Sage 50 Cloud combines desktop software power with cloud backup and access. It's best for businesses that need advanced accounting features or inventory management. Patriot Accounting is a simple and affordable platform with optional payroll integration. It's ideal for startups and small businesses that want straightforward bookkeeping. ZipBooks offers a free plan with essential features and paid upgrades for advanced tools. It's a good option for entrepreneurs who want low-cost flexibility. For those who prefer customization, open-source tools like GNU Cash or Accounting can also work, though they require more setup. How to choose the right software. To choose the right accounting software, start by understanding your needs. Ask yourself, do you need payroll? Do you send invoices often? Do you sell products or services? Do you need inventory tracking? Do you require tax reports? Next, test before buying. Most platforms offer free trials. Use them to explore features, test usability, and check integrations. Consider your budget. Free tools are great for basic needs, but paid software usually offers more automation and reporting features as your business grows. Make sure the software supports U.S. tax requirements if you operate in multiple states. Check customer support options like chat, tutorials, and onboarding assistance. And always think about future growth. Choose software that can scale with your business. Accounting software is no longer optional for small businesses, it's essential. The right system helps you stay organized, understand your finances, simplify taxes, and make smarter business decisions. In 2026, business owners have excellent choices, from free beginner tools to advanced platforms with automation, payroll, and reporting. QuickBooks and Xero are best for full-feature solutions. Wave and ZipBooks are great for low-cost or free options. FreshBooks works best for service businesses, while Sage and Patriot serve more specialized needs. Choosing the right accounting software gives your business a strong financial foundation and the confidence to grow. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial, tax, or legal advice. Software features and pricing may change. Always verify details with the provider and consult a qualified professional before making financial decisions.